Well, good morning, everybody. We are here in La Paz. Have you been to La Paz, John?
Never been to La Paz, but it is the capital of Baja California.
I actually didn't know that. Well, today we have a sightseeing tour. I think that's one of the best ways to get to know a new port is to go on to one of like the best top 10 or cultural highlights or whatever. So that's what we're doing today. We're going on a tour today. And to those that may be like, that sounds boring, y'all, you make what you get. And so I'm excited. We're gonna learn a little bit. We're gonna go see the cathedral here. It said that it includes a seafood lunch.
It does. So I'm excited to try out the Mexican
seafood,
yes.
But it's gonna be a great day. It's not too chilly. There's a slight breeze in the air, but it's only gonna get up to how hot today?
70.
Yeah,
degrees.
About 70 degrees. So
bad.
it's not gonna change anywhere from where it's at right now. So it's a nice day. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I am. I got my cup of coffee. Let's go. It's ready.
All right. We'll see you guys soon.
The port's actually far away from the main city, so we have to hop on a bus, and the bus is going to be taking us to the main city. It's about a 20-minute ride. They do have complimentary shuttles, just in case you didn't purchase a short excursion. Place we were just at, they make pottery, handmade. Well, all pottery is handmade, but this is unique pottery because they put the Mexican, twist on it with other vibrant colors.
So they have two different types of pottery here, and they even are developing like a scented one, which is really cool. But this place is really beautiful. And you know what, John? I will say this: if you're looking to buy souvenirs or buy something, this place is actually pretty cheap. And it's handcrafted items. You're watching them do it. They explain the whole pottery process. Very, very cool tour. Thumbs up in my book. I would definitely come here and check this one out again.
Yep.
And this church is dedicated to Our Lady del Pilar.
What do you think about the city so far?
You know, it's cute. I don't know if that's an accurate description of what I think it is, but I think it's cute. Very nice town. You can tell it's a touristy town, but it's nice. It's pretty. The sun came out. But all the places we've been going to have been great. The cathedral was pretty. John and I were able to snag a quick drink because we're a little tired. But so far, it's pretty. I enjoy it.
The sun's out. It's nice and sunny. A little warm. A little toasty.
It's a little toasty, roasty.
But we're walking the boardwalk here in La Paz. It's actually pretty nice. There's a beach literally right next to the boardwalk.
So, La Paz. We did the historical, cultural highlights, and it came with lunch. The lunch was 2 tacos. It also came with a ceviche tostada. It was good. John, did you think it was good?
Yeah, it was very good, very tasty. No complaints here.
All right, so out of 10, like we did yesterday, what would you rate this?
For what we did and for what we paid for it, it was probably 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go a little bit harsh. I'm gonna give it an 8. Only because I we've done like trips like this and excursions like this, and I've liked some other ones better. But our tour guide has been great. People have been really nice. This place is like, I think John said it best, it's a very quiet town.
Very peaceful, nobody's in a hurry. Cars aren't honking all over the place, no traffic. It's nice and calm and mellow. I like it.
Yeah. But we're getting ready to head back onto the bus, go to the ship, and then we're gonna see what today has for us, because it's only 12:36. So there's more to come.
Evening is upon us. La Paz was a great port. I really enjoyed it. Actually, the captain was on the tour with us. Now, I didn't bug him, I didn't talk to him. I wanted to take a picture with him, but you know what? He was with his family. He was enjoying time. You know, he is the captain after all. You know, he has a very important job, so we just left him alone.
Yeah.
But we're ready.
Ready for dinner. I'm excited. It's a good night. The 80s Rock and Glow party is tonight. We might check it out, but John doesn't know this. The rock band is actually playing in the Ocean Plaza tonight, but they're doing acoustic jams. So it's going to be real chill, relaxed, lit out. So it's kind of just going with the flow of today. Today has been really peaceful, really just go with the flow, which is good because we woke up super tired, right, John?
We did.
Yeah. Very little sleep, but that's okay. But we're gonna head out, go grab some dinner, and then see where the night brings us. We'll bring you along with us. And we haven't said it yet, but you should make the investment. Hit that subscribe button. That way you can know every single time that we have a video, you have to hit the notification bell. And let me just tell you, it's an investment that you're gonna want for 2024 this year. So let's talk about it. Dinner was long, but it was good. It was a good job.
It was good. I mean, we usually stick to, you know, the same
chicken.
I've
had chicken every single night. Sorry guys, that's why we were like, we're not gonna film it. I've had the same thing every single night. John had chicken tonight too, so we're like, it's not anything adventurous, but it was good. Our dessert did come a little bit late, so we both had very, very melted dessert. But overall, our server is very nice, very respectful. And our group, of course, is always a blast. And dinner has been nice to just sit and chat and take a break from all the hustle and bustle of a cruise. But we're gonna go check out some music tonight. We're gonna see what everybody's doing and kind of just take it easy because we do have to wake up early tomorrow. So we'll see what's gonna happen.
That is a wrap. We're calling it a night. We're throwing in the towel. You know, we're done. The boss was great. It was a fantastic day, but we're not officially done for the night. We're just done with the vlog for the night. We're gonna go out and we're gonna have a
good time.
We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna go up to the Lido deck, maybe have some delectables.
Delectables. You mean we're gonna have a swirl?
We might have a swirl, maybe some late night pizza. Who knows, right? But we're gonna go out, enjoy ourselves. But La Paz, how was La Paz?
It was a pleasant surprise. I thought it was gonna be a super busy port, and it wasn't at all. It was peaceful. It was nice. If you guys get a chance and it's on your itinerary, get off the ship and go to La Paz. I know a lot of people don't go because it's something new or they think it's gonna be small and like a janky town, but it's very, very nice. Go check it out. We encourage you all the time, and I know most of you guys know this, but you don't know till you try something. But as always, who are you?
My name is John.
And my name is Dymon. Go on a cruise
and have a good time.
That's right.